When we detect someone going through the exit counterflow, we record that specific video of the event and send it to the control room so that the people who in fact need to make the decision are well informed, and they have a picture of the individual so that they can, when needs be, track him through the airport and find him and not have to dump the airport. One of the major problems in video is tracking, and we call it tag and track. And the tag and track is you have a sparse array of cameras. And you're all familiar with that kind of an array. You've got a camera here, you've got a camera there, you have a camera in the back. They don't overlap. They're all operating independently. You can follow a person through the field of view of one camera, but then you have to re-identify them in the next camera. And that can be really a problem. So you have, right now, there's, for example, a camera right here looking at me, sees me from here to here. If I walk in that direction, there's another camera at the back end of the room. Right now, it sees me as about that big. So re-identifying a person from those two different views is really quite an interesting and difficult thing to do. So because we're algorithmic people, what we basically do is the first set of cameras are actually 3 cameras in a row looking back at the individual. So we get 3 images, front, side, and side. And we reconstruct the image of the person in a 360 view. So now I don't care how you present yourself, we can identify it. Then the difference in size is we know the basic geometries. So this size here and this size there, I can take this and make it that, which would fit in that and correspond to that size. So identification is simply much easier geometrically. Now, I hope I've explained that, but you end up with, because of basic geometries, because you know the camera locations, therefore you know the magnification, you can calculate the number of pixels, you have a 360-degree view of the individual, you can identify that person. Now I can go from this camera to that camera to the next camera through the field of view and track that person as he progresses from the airport parking lot to the public side of the airport.